Welcome back, YouTube. This is Dave Lucas with Injection Molding Skills and More. So today we are going over Quiz 10, the answer. So why is gate freeze-off time critical in injection molding? The correct answer is C. It limits how long packing pressure is effective, okay? And I'll go into more detail on this, okay? So let me show you. Okay, guys, so I'm back. Let's go over this then. So this is the answer. Correct answer is C. Explanation: once the gate freezes, no more material can enter the cavity. Packing pressure becomes useless after freeze-off. Incorrect time leads to sinks, voids, and overpacking, okay? So think about that, okay, when you're doing this. Importance of gate freeze-off: consistent part quality, optimization of cycle time, prevention of defects. Okay, conducting a gate freeze study. So this is like a study you do. So you'd first initialize a setup. So you'd set the mold in, do all that, do incremental test, and then if you want, you collect your data, adjust parameters. If you want, if you go into my videos, you can see where I've done a gate freeze study that will show you exactly how to do a gate freeze study. So check that out, okay, guys? Okay, conclusion. Understanding and optimization of gate freeze and essential for achieving high quality of injection molded parts, okay? So what I did is I wrote down some stuff for each one of these, okay? So what I was thinking on this is like, okay, the importance of gate freeze. Okay, so think about this. Consistent part quality, okay? Proper determinant of gate freeze-off time helps maintain consistent part weight, surface finish, and dimensional stability across part runs, okay? Then if you look at optimizing the cycle time, okay? By understanding when the gate freezes, manufacturers can optimize the hold time and pressure applied during the pack phase, which directly impacts cycle time and production. So think about it this way. If you can run faster, that affects your cycle time and stuff. Okay, and then prevention of defects. Okay. So on this one, it says on here, it says, and this is what I wrote down, if the gate does not freeze at the right time, it can lead to defects in the final product, such as incomplete filling or excessive shrinkage, okay? So think about that one there. Now, if you go over here and you look at conducting a gate freeze study, like I said, initialize setup, okay? So if you think about that, I wrote these down from what I've done before. Load your mold and set the machine to a long pack and hold time, okay? Then what you're going to do is you're going to do the incremental testing, okay? So you're going to gradually decrease the hold time while monitoring the weight of the produced part. This will help identify the part at which additional hold time no longer increases part weight, indicated that of the gate freezing off. So what you're doing is you're adding, okay, or you're doing that, and then you're weighing your part every single time for your hold, okay? Once the part gets to where it's not gaining any more weight, then you know your gate freeze is right there, guys. So then when you're doing a data collection, you're recording the part weight and analyzing the part data, or analyzing the data to find point at which the weight stabilizes, which indicates the gate is frozen off, okay? So adjusting the parameters, the last one, based on the following findings, adjust the hold time to ensure that it is slightly longer than the freeze-off time and account for any variations in the process, okay? So what you're doing on this is you're going to, let's say you get this to 5 seconds of hold time on your hold time, okay? Then what you're going to do is you're actually going to go ahead and add 1 more second to your hold time to make it 6 seconds. You might be able to add like maybe a half a second. It just depends on your part and all that, okay? So I hope this helps you guys out. I will put all the information in the description of this in the bottom. So I hope this helps you guys out with gate freeze off. Until next week, I will have quiz number 11 on Tuesday. And then Friday, I will be out of town. I am flying down to Miami with my girlfriend to spend some time at the beach. So I might do the video ahead of time, like on Wednesday. So I'll do the video maybe Monday or Tuesday, and then do the answer on Wednesday. I appreciate all the support to the channel. If you would, please like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate all the support to the channel, guys. Until next time, peace.